السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم کرنٹ افیئرس کو ریوائز کریں گے، جس میں جنوری 2026 کے جتنے بھی کرنٹ افیئرس کے امپورٹنٹ MCQs ہیں جو کمنگ PPSC FPSC یا کسی بھی ون پیپر جنرل نالج کے ایگزام میں آ سکتے ہیں۔ فار ایگزامپل، ابھی جون میں آپ لوگوں کا پنجاب ریونیو اتھارٹی میں انفورسمنٹ آفیسر اور آڈٹ آفیسر کا پیپر ہونا ہے۔ اس کے علاوہ FGEI کی ٹیچنگ اور نان ٹیچنگ جابس کا پیپر کنڈکٹ ہونا ہے، دین FIA، تو یہ سب کے لیے اہم ہے۔ جنوری سے لے کر مئی تک منتھ وائز ہم تمام کرنٹ افیئرس کو ریوائز کریں گے پیپر سے پہلے، اور آج ہم جنوری کے جو موسٹ امپورٹنٹ ایونٹس ہیں، ون لائنرز ہیں، ان کو پڑھیں گے۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ ہے آن January 17 a massive fire incident occurred at which famous shopping plaza in Karachi, causing over 71 deaths and massive financial losses. Gul Plaza, who is set to become the future Queen of Spain, marking a historic royal transition after nearly 150 years. Princess Leonor. How much supplementary grant funding was recently allocated to Pakistan Armed Forces? $7 billion. On December 26, which head of state paid an official visit to Pakistan? President of UAE. Which Indonesian president officially visited Pakistan during a bilateral tour from December 8 to 9? Prabowo Subianto. 3 satellites named Zafar-2, Paya and Kausar were launched by Iran using a space station located in which country? Russia. Which Pakistani space organization officially announced its plans to execute a mission to the moon? Suparko. Who made history by taking the oath of office as the first Muslim mayor of New York on January 1? Zohran Mamdani. Which country became the first to officially recognize Somaliland to secure strategic regional and diplomatic ties? Israel. According to the recent Global Passport Index, what is Pakistan's current ranking after improving its position? 98. Bilawal Bhutto inaugurated which major university hospital facility to provide advanced healthcare in Karachi? Indus University Hospital. Where did Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky hold a key diplomatic meeting with Donald Trump to resolve ongoing regional issues? Florida. The high-profile World Economic Forum annual meeting took place in Davos, Switzerland, during which specific dates? January 20th to 22. Barzil Pass, where a tragic rescue casualty occurred during winter maintenance operations, strategically connects Kashmir with which region? Gilgit-Baltistan. Who took charge as the first female chairperson of the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority (PEMRA)? Ambreen Jan. Who was officially elected as the new president of Pakistan Taekwondo Federation? Colonel Nabil Ahmed Rana. What was the operational code name of the US military intervention carried out on 3rd January to apprehend the president of Venezuela? Operation Absolute Resolve. Which country holds the largest proven oil reserves in the world, totaling approximately 303 billion barrels? Venezuela. Where did the Palestinian embassy officially open its diplomatic mission and become operational? In London, UK. Who has been appointed as the official brand ambassador for the 11th edition of Pakistan Super League? Wasim Akram. Which 2 new city franchises have been officially added to the upcoming PSL expansion tournament? Hyderabad and Sialkot. Which country recently expressed formal intent to join Saudi-Pakistan Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement? Turkey. Who became the first Pakistani female mixed martial arts champion following a tournament in Islamabad? Anita Karim. At what strategic port in Pakistan, establishing a massive new industrial complex zone? Port Qasim. Who is the current Federal Minister for Maritime Affairs in Pakistan? Muhammad Junaid Anwar Chaudhry. During his official visit to Bahrain, President Asif Ali Zardari was conferred with the nation's highest civil award named Order of Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa. What is the name of the new political party officially launched by former Senator Mustafa Nawaz Khokhar? Awam Raj Party. The 2025 Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to which Venezuelan opposition leader? Maria Corina Machado. Where is the upcoming FIFA World Cup tournament scheduled to be jointly hosted? USA, Canada, and Mexico. Who is the 267th Pope of the Vatican Catholic Church who adopted the papal title Pope Leo X4? Robert Francis Prevost. Where was the multilateral Israel-Palestine Peace Agreement Summit held alongside mediators from the US, Qatar and Turkey? Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. The Kolhampur Peace Accord signed on 26th of October successfully resolved a long-standing border and political conflict between Thailand and which country? Cambodia. Where are upcoming Commonwealth Games scheduled to be held? Glasgow in Scotland. Which nation will serve as the official host for the subsequent Commonwealth Games? India in Ahmedabad. The international G20 summit was hosted by South Africa, whereas the next summit will be hosted by which country? United States. Which nation officially joined the ASEAN bloc as its 11th permanent core member? East Timor or Timor-Leste. What is the sovereign capital city of East Timor? Dili. While Brazil hosted the COP30 climate summit, the subsequent COP31 International Climate Conference will be hosted by which country? Turkey. Arshad Nadeem secured another historic gold medal for Pakistan at the Islamic Solidarity Games held in which city? Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. While the previous Summer Olympics took place in Paris, the next edition of the Summer Olympics will be held in which city? Los Angeles in USA. The upcoming Winter Olympics tournament is officially scheduled to be hosted by which country? Italy. Which European country secured the top rank in the World Happiness Index for 8 consecutive years? Finland. Under the newly approved 27th Constitutional Amendment, a new Supreme Military Command Office was created under which title? Chief of Defense Forces. Who assumed the office of President of Syria following the collapse of Bashar al-Assad's regime? Ahmed al-Shara. After the hiatus of how many years did the US officially resume testing strategic nuclear weapons? 33 years. Who took the oath of office as the 16th Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir? Raja Faisal Mumtaz Rathod. Who officially assumed the office of Prime Minister of Japan? Sanai Takaichi. Pakistan International Airlines was officially privatized in a historic commercial transaction deal valued at 135 billion Pakistani rupees to which corporate entity? Arif Habib Group. Former female Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Begum Khalida Zia, who passed away recently, belonged to which political party? Bangladesh Nationalist Party. During the International Dubai Air Show, which Indian manufactured fighter jet crashed, leading global buyers to cancel existing procurement orders? Tejas. Iconic Bollywood veteran actor Dharmender, globally celebrated by fans as He-Man, passed away on which date? 24th of November. Who is the current sitting president of Brazil? Lula da Silva. General Asim Munir conducted an official defense visit to Libya and signed high-value military export agreements with which Libyan leader Field Marshal Khalifa Haftar. Pakistani police inspector Iram Khan brought international honors by winning 2 gold medals at the World Powerlifting Championship held in which country? Sri Lanka. The prominent young student leader from Bangladesh who spearheaded the political transition but was tragically assassinated in Dhaka was Sharif Usman Hadi. When was the Board of Peace Charter signing ceremony held in Davos in Switzerland on 22nd of January 2026? Which world leader initiated the concept of establishing a new international organization named the Board of Peace to resolve global conflicts? Donald Trump. Who represented Pakistan and signed the charter at the Board of Peace ceremony in Davos? Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Which country explicitly declined the invitation to attend the Board of Peace Charter ceremony? France. More than how many countries were invited by the US administration to join the Board of Peace Organization? 60 countries. Which country announced its highest civilian award, the Israel Prize, for US President Donald Trump to honor his peace initiatives? Israel. What is the estimated cost or contribution expected from a new member country to join the Board of Peace framework? $1 billion. Which country hosted the FIFA World Cup tournament in 2022? Qatar. The 11th edition of Pakistan Super League is scheduled to be played during which period? 26 March to 3rd May. What is the total number of teams participating in PSL after an increase from previous 6 teams, 8 teams? Which team was the winner of the 10th edition of the Pakistan Super League, Lahore Qalandars? Which prominent Pakistani cricketer recently announced his retirement from Pakistan Super League? Shoaib Malik. Who took over generalship or leadership of the D8 organization on behalf of Pakistan? Sohail Mahmood. Who is the official owner of the newly inducted 8th PSL franchise team Sialkot? Hamza Majid. The Future Minerals Forum was held in which international city? Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. The third Japan-Qatar strategic dialogue was hosted on 13th of January in which city? Doha in Qatar. Pakistani Defence Minister Khwaja Asif paid an official visit to which country on 12th of January? Morocco. Who is the current Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan? Ishaq Dar. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif appointed Pakistan Ulama Council Chairman Allama Tahir Ashrafi to which official designation? Coordinator for Religious Harmony. Which Venezuelan leader was detained by American military forces during a targeted operation on 3rd January? Nicolas Maduro. What was the name given to the first supermoon of the year, which was visible in Pakistan on 3rd and 4th January? Wolf Moon. On which date is the World Braille Day observed globally every year? 4th of January. What is the maximum operational flight range of the newly launched Taimur cruise missile by Pakistan Air Force? 600 km. The Chief of Air Staff of which South Asian country paid an official visit to Pakistan on 4th of January? Bangladesh. US naval forces intercepted and seized a Russian oil tanker in which major ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Who is the official owner of the 7th PSL franchise team Hyderabad? Fawad Sarwar. Which associate cricket team replaced Bangladesh in the T20 World Cup after Bangladesh withdrew due to security concerns? Scotland. Who was officially appointed as the leader of opposition in the National Assembly of Pakistan on 16th of January? Mahmood Khan Achakzai. Which renowned media personality and journalist launched a new political party named Pakistan Awami Raj Tehreek on 15th of January, Iqrarul Hassan, which two Asian nations signed a new defense pact to counter rising regional tensions involving China, Philippines, and Japan, who assumed office as the new political leader or president of Venezuela following political transition, Delcy Rodriguez. Pakistan's cricket team registered a historic series victory and whitewash against which country on their home soil after 7 years? Australia. Which famous NASA astronaut announced retirement from space agency after 27 years of distinguished service? Sunita Williams. Which country officially resumed its commercial flight operations to Pakistan after a long hiatus of 14 years? Bangladesh. President Asif Ali Zardari went on an official state visit to which two Gulf nations, Kingdom of Bahrain and UAE? An outbreak of which deadly virus was reported in India, causing major health and safety concerns for international cricket teams? Nipah virus. The 16th European Union and India Summit was scheduled to take place on 27th of January in which city? New Delhi in India. On which date is the International Day of Education celebrated worldwide every year, 24th of January? The longest serving president of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, who passed away in Islamabad on 31st of January, was Sultan Mahmud Chaudhry. What was the age of AJK President Sultan Mahmud Chaudhry at the time of his passing? 71 years. On which date is the International Day of Clean Energy observed globally? 26th of January. Which militant group claimed responsibility for the recent wave of coordinated violent attacks across Quetta and Balochistan? Baloch Liberation Army. Veteran journalist Mark Tully, who passed away on 26th of January, was famously associated with which broadcasting organization? BBC. Which major North American territory is the Donald Trump administration planning to strategically occupy or acquire? Greenland. Which brave Pakistani military officer embraced martyrdom during a critical snow and road clearance operation? Captain Asman Gulfam. Which edition of the World Economic Forum annual meeting took place in Davos in Switzerland? 56th edition. Which European country made headlines by completely discontinuing its traditional postal and mail service? Denmark. President Asif Ali Zardari was bestowed with the highest national civilian award of which brotherly Islamic country? Kingdom of Bahrain.